everyone, it's me, Miss V, coming at you with another myVEGAS update. So last time I showed you all around the new lobbies. I'm sure you're all pros by now. Well, this time I'm going to tell you about some of our other changes we just rolled out. Now, in order to make room for all the cool new stuff the team has been building, we had to retire a couple of things, like some of our older games. Now don't worry, we still have over 60 that you can choose from, and we're adding more all the time! Also, the journeys are taking a little break. We know a lot of you loved this feature and we'll be bringing it back soon, even better than ever. I can't tell you anything more about it yet, but I promise you it'll totally be worth the wait. Now, something that we did add was a new way for you to get your free daily chips. Instead of having to spin the wheel each time, you get them automatically as a gift from us. And you also start getting your daily streak bonus points right away on your second consecutive day, rather than having to wait for your fifth. The new design also makes it much easier to see what your VIP bonus is. But best of all, we made the total daily free chip amount much bigger. So now there's absolutely no reason not to come back in every day and spin for those big wins. Well, that's it for this time. I've got to get back to being the host with the most. And remember, if you ever need any extra help when I'm not around, just tap your profile icon up at the top. The one with the cute little gear on it, that's where you can get some help right inside the game. See you around the reels. Bye-bye.